Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to record your YouTube videos. So in this case, open your any browser first. If you want to record a YouTube video like this, screen recorder, you can use this screencapture.com. Go to this link and you will find free screen capture. Start your recording with webcam, and you can use microphone also. Okay, so again you can do is you can use your microphone, camera, and you can use OBS Studio to capture your videos. Okay, so guys, this is how you can capture your videos in YouTube. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.